When it comes to machine translation, DeepL and Microsoft Translator are two heavyweights. But which one is better? We'll be comparing these two AI tools to find out which provides more accurate translations, better features, and overall performance. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be revealing a tool that might just outperform both of them, and you won't want to miss that. First off, let's talk about accuracy. DeepL has built a reputation for its high-quality translations, especially in European languages. Many users swear by its ability to capture the nuances of language and provide more natural-sounding sentences. It's particularly good at handling complex sentence structures and idiomatic expressions. Microsoft Translator, on the other hand, has improved a lot over the years, but still tends to give slightly more literal translations. While it works great for basic translations, it can struggle with context in more advanced scenarios. Next thing, the range of languages. Microsoft Translator has a broader language selection, offering support for over 70 languages. DeepL, while excelling in European languages, has a more limited selection, around 30 languages. If you're translating more obscure languages or need wider global support, Microsoft Translator may be the better choice here. The third thing to consider is user interface and ease of use. Both platforms are fairly intuitive, but DeepL's sleek and minimalist design might appeal to users looking for a clean and simple experience. It's fast, no nonsense, and easy to use. Microsoft Translator, while still user-friendly, tends to have a bit more going on, especially when you're using it on mobile apps or the browser version. It has more integrated features, but that can make it feel a bit overwhelming for someone who just wants a quick translation. The fourth thing we need to talk about is integration with other tools. Microsoft Translator shines here, especially for businesses or anyone who needs to translate content across a variety of platforms. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Office, Word, and Excel, making it a solid choice for corporate environments. DeepL, on the other hand, doesn't have as many integration options, which might be limiting for those who need to scale their translations quickly. The fifth thing is pricing. Both platforms offer free versions, but the premium versions vary quite a bit. DeepL's Pro plan is more expensive than Microsoft Translator's options, but it offers advanced features like document translation and access to an API for developers. Microsoft Translator's premium options are relatively cheaper and also provide access to cloud services, making it a better budget option if you just need basic translations. Now, here's the catch. While both DeepL and Microsoft Translator are great tools, they still fall short in some areas. In fact, after testing them both extensively, I found a tool that outperforms them in accuracy, range, and usability. So, if you're serious about getting the best translations possible, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial with additional benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, you'll want to try it for yourself.